So this is the BMW 6-speed ZFS6-53 two-wheel drive manual gearbox to LT230 adapter. So here we have the adapter plate itself. This is billet aluminium and then anodized blue, as you can see. We also have the shaft that has the external LT230 spline and then the internal BMW spline. And then in addition we have the fasteners here, which are the 4 main bolts, and then the 2 side securing bolts that just go in here, like so. And then these 4 main bolts just drop in the back here and mount the adapter to the back of the gearbox, just in these 4 holes here. And that's it, that's the whole kit. If you haven't already got the kit, you can head over to our website, which is onlinegearboxparts.com, and pick it up there.